Bird 1. Papa Hotel Mike Alpha Sierra, is on final run runway 27 right, Speedbird 135 heavy.
Vietnam Airlines 101, wind 190 at Niner, number 1, runway 27 left, cleared to land. Turkish is 12 flight of 10, hold short of runway 27 left.
Executing missed approach, Vietnam Airlines 101. London Heathrow Tower, Speedbird 2931, ready for departure at runway 27 left, departing straight out.
Turkish is 12 flight of 10, you are not cleared to enter the runway, please exit the runway.
Holding short runway 27 left, Turkish 812 flight of 10.
Turkish is 12 flight of 10, you are not cleared to enter the runway, please exit the runway. Turkish is 12 flight of 10, you are not cleared to enter the runway, please exit the runway.
London Heathrow Tower, Speedbird 656 heavy, ready